Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Sabrina. For those of you who don't know me, for those of you who know me, welcome back. I hope you are doing well. I miss you very much. I'm sorry I didn't make a video for a while because I was lazy, I was busy. Anyway, and today I decided to do that because I got a new Hermes bag and I'm very excited and I want to share with you guys. If you guys are interested, keep on watching. This bag was in my wish list for 4 years, and you don't believe it how much I was crazy about this bag, and I really want it, and badly. I want this bag badly, but I didn't want to buy it from reseller. I didn't want to pay premium, and I didn't recently. Actually, I just gave up. I thought I'm not going to get it, but a few days ago, my beautiful SA, she contacted with me and she said, Sabrina, I have your dream bag here, and I couldn't wait. Anyway, next day I just drove to New York and picked up my new bag. Anyway, I know you guys interested and you want to see what I got. I'm gonna open the bag at the same time I'm gonna talk. Anyway, this is real unboxing. Oh my gosh, I love this bag so much. I'm sure you saw lots of people in YouTube, they unboxing the same bag, but for me it was very hard for some reason. I couldn't get it. Okay, let's open it. Okay. I'm not that crazy about twirly because I think Hermes bag so beautiful. I don't want to use twirly, but for this specific one, you're gonna see why I decided to use twirly. This empty box, my SA, I'm sure she put it there because I asked her. I'm not good with that. And this is the box, and you guys all familiar with the umbrella, whatever, cover, and plate, and the receipt. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe it, I got it. Oh my gosh, she's gorgeous. She's gorgeous. Look at her. Oh my God. I cannot believe I have this bag. Okay, so Birkin size 25, rose gold hardware with Togo leather, and in the color is gray. As I mentioned, I had this in my wish list last 4 years. I saw some picture, I don't know where, or I don't remember. I saw this bag, actually was a big size, was in size 25, and I sent it to my SA and I said, oh my gosh, what color is that? I love this bag, I want it. She said, oh, this is a very, very old color and we don't have it anymore. At the same time, I'm gonna open this. And we don't have this bag, this color anymore. I said, please, please, any color similar to this. I'm crazy about it, I want it. She said, okay, sure. Because she know it, and now when I talk to her, she said, I wasn't sure even you can get this bag. Anyway, every once in a while I was asking her, any update on that? She said no. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe it. I got this bag. It's so beautiful. And because of the color, that's the reason I got it twirly. I want to make sure it's not getting dirty. Okay, let me remove this. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. And anytime I asked my SA, she said no. Gradually, I start to see similar color, like a nata, mushroom, the light colors. Again, I just keep messaging her and I just keep bothering her. And I said, darling, maybe something similar to this color? She said, it's very hard to get, very popular color, but if I can, I will. And you know, anytime, any color, any bag I want, she's so nice to me. She's sweetheart, and always she gave me. And when she was saying, no, we don't have it, I believe it. I know it's very hard to get it. I'm gonna bring it close to camera. And as you're familiar, you know, has a one pocket here and another one the back. Gosh, this bag is gorgeous. I love it. Anyway, and then I was so mad with myself. I thought that was around the time I ordered my special order with Hermes. I was thinking why I didn't choose this color, because I was so excited when they offer me I can choose the color, whatever, what bag I want. I didn't even think about anything. Just I asked my SA, I said, what color is popular? What size should I get? She helped me. But I didn't go to the store because, you know, I did it over the phone. Anyway, I gave up, but every once in a while I saw somebody unboxing it. Again, I sent a message. I said, honey, I saw somebody unboxing it. You sure? She said, yes, I know now it's very popular, but we don't have it. If we have it, definitely I will let you know. Anyway, last week, not last week, this week, as soon as she told me, next day I went to store and I picked it up. And she messaged me, she said, I have your dream bag. And you don't believe it, how happy I was when received the message. I love this color. And you know, I'm not a bag collector. I don't think I just want to keep getting bag, and I don't want to spend lots of money for bag. And I was thinking, this is the only bag make me very happy. And after I get this bag, I'm not going to get that much bag because it's too much money. And when you have too much option, you don't enjoy the items you have. And right now, for my collection, it's not that easy because I don't keep them at home. I just have a storage, I send them out, and then usually I have 2 bag or 3 bag each time, and then I use them, and then I, you know, change it with new one. And I don't want my collection getting very big. My point is, this was the bag I really wanted, and I couldn't wait to get it. And I was thinking, this is going to be the bag, and after that, I'm going to stop. You know, of course, if I get offered some bag I really want it, yeah, definitely I'm going to get it. But I don't have any bag in my wish list right now. And I think my collection is completed because, you know, I don't believe in, you know, I know it's lots and lots of beautiful bags, especially when coming to Hermes, like a exotic leather and or touch. Those are beautiful. Ostrich, it's beautiful, but I don't think I want to spend that much money because I'm happy anytime I see anybody unboxing. It's beautiful, beautiful bags, and I'm happy for them. But for myself, I don't think I need it. Anyway, this is the bag I really wanted. And actually, I was going to mention that I received lots of messages, usually people asking me, oh, tell us, you know, how you get in the bag, or what you recommend, for example, how you deal with the your salesperson, or how much money you spend to get a bag. Honestly, I'm one of those people. I'm not very political. I'm not in that, you know, I don't have that kind of personality to do something because I want something. And with Hermes, for me was, I don't know, just, I'm gonna go back how I started with Hermes. Years ago, I decided to get Hermes bag, and I really want it. And I didn't know it's gonna be that hard. I just walk into the store. That time, it was in my area. The store was in Tyson Corner. I just walk into the store and I asked one of the salesperson, and then I said, I'm interested. it just took 5 minutes, and then she took me in the back and she offered me Cali size 40 with, I don't know, the color was similar to the gold color. It was beautiful, beautiful bag, and was perfect size for me, especially that time. I was younger, I was working at the office. I needed some big bag. And you think maybe size 40 is very heavy and big, but it was perfect. I didn't use it just for work. I use it for traveling, for every day. I love that bag. I got the bag without any history. And after that, I started buying a little bit jewelry and a scarf and stuff. After that, maybe a week later or 2 weeks later, the lady, the salesperson, she called me and she said, we have a Birkin, because I told her I want a Birkin. She said, we have a Birkin size, I think it was 30. Size 30, the color was dark brown. Are you interested? And then I said, oh no, I think dark brown is too old for me. I'm looking for some more, lighter leather. I didn't get it. And after that, actually that time was very hard to get in CDC bracelet. And she contacted me a few weeks later. I went to a store and I got one of those bracelets. A few months later, I decided to go to the store and ask for Birkin. And the lady, she was gone. She didn't work there, and I asked another salesperson. Anyway, I don't want to make a long story. It was hard. It was very, very hard to get. I got jewelry, a scarf, few home decor. I think they didn't even look at my history. They didn't care for that. Anytime I asked the salesperson, she always said, oh, send me your wish list. But I was thinking, okay, I have a history. They see, I'm a loyal customer and I'm really love the brand, but unfortunately I couldn't get it. And then I was in New York. Again, I just walked into the store and I asked for a bag. She didn't give me that time. She just asked me, what do you want? And I told her, I said, I want a Birkin size 30. I want an orange or black, or I don't remember another color I said. Before I get to hotel, she called me and she said she has the bag. Since then, anytime I want a bag, she's so kind to me. She gave me the bag. And of course, she's not telling me never. She's telling me, oh, you have to spend this much money in order to get a bag. But I know, I have to do that, because it's not fair to be pushy to these, the salespeople. And I can imagine how many people, they go to the store and just keep asking for the bag, and it's not fair to them, and they don't get any commission with these bags. The commission they make maybe for the jewelry, home decor, and scarf and this kind of thing. She never told me. This is the things I hear all the time. And every once in a while I buying something, but she never telling me, oh no, you have to spend this much money in order to get in it. For example, yesterday, 2 days ago, when I went for this bag, I didn't buy anything. The only thing I got, the tulle. I didn't buy anything, and she never put me under pressure. I need to buy something, because she's so kind. My point is, my advice actually, if you guys really interested, I think to be honest and just try to connect with the salesperson. Look at anything. When you have a good relationship, you can, get the bag, or you have it in your wish list. And I feel I'm very lucky, and I really love her. And going forward, I don't have a bag, as I mentioned. I don't have a bag in my wish list, but of course, I'm going to message her. I'm going to call her. I go to New York. I'm going to go visit her, because I really love my friendship with her, because I really love her as a friend. She's an amazing, amazing woman. And my advice is, I think just, you need to connect with the person. I'm sure if I didn't go New York to this specific store, keep waiting for this store in my area, impossible to get in it, because anytime I went, I talked to any people, I couldn't connect. Just always they say, oh, do you have a wish list? Send your wish list. Anyway, sorry I talked too much, but I miss you very much. I promise going forward I try to make more video. And actually I have so much eye makeup. I know I don't put this much makeup anymore, but my friend, she has a Halloween party, and after this video I'm gonna go to Halloween party. But this is not the finished look. I'm gonna put, you know, some crown or something. Actually very interesting. Last year, same time, I was gonna go to Halloween party and I made a video. Okay, let me show you the finished look. Voila! What do you think? This is the final look. I have this old dress from Zara. I don't remember when I got it, and for my veil and the crown I got it from Amazon. I don't know what is that about. This is still inside me as a little girl, and I love to be queen. I love to be bride. I want to put the crown and I want to put the veil. Anyway, every year I'm not good with different costume and this kind of thing. Every year I make some excuse to put the crown on. I just love it. I don't know why. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoy it, and I promise I'm gonna come with another video very soon. Have a good day or night. Love you. Bye.